Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. This is International Opportunity Hub. If you are wondering for international exchange program, scholarship program, or internship program, then you are at the right place. Yes, this is International Opportunity Hub where you find international scholarship, internship, and exchange program. Watch this video and as well as watch my previous video for achieving international scholarship and internship and exchange program for the year of 2022. So today our journey country is Turkey. So today we are going to talk about Sabanci University Scholarship Program for the year of 2022. That is also a fully funded program. So let's have a look on it. Start your study adventure in Turkey. Good news. Sabanci University Scholarship are currently open. Sabanci University Scholarship 2022 to 2023 are fully funded undergraduate, master and PhD scholarship for international students. The scholarship cover full tuition via monthly stipend up to 3200 TL and on-campus accommodation. TL means is the Turkish lira. Lira is the currency of Turkey. And one more information I want to add that Turkey capital is Ankara. The Sabancı University School of Language has been accredited by one of the most renowned international quality assurance equal whose mission is based on excellence in language education. International students have the opportunity to gain admission scholarship at the Sabancı University. Every international candidate who applies to Sabanci University is evaluated for scholarship automatically when they fulfill the application requirement. While filling out the application form, you can fill in the related area to demonstrate that you would like to be considered for scholarship. Yet keep in mind that all applicants are automatically evaluated for scholarship even if they do not follow this section. Additionally, note that there is a chance to request scholarship when you complete at least 2 semesters at Sabanci University with outstanding grades. Okay, the mission of Sabanci University is to develop internationally competent and confident individuals, advancing and fostering knowledge in natural science and engineering, along with humanities, social, and management sciences through innovative transdisciplinary research. Scholarship summary: the level of study is undergraduate, master, and PhD, and the institution host is Sabanci University, and the study country is Turkey, and the program period for undergraduate is 4 years, for master 3 years, and for PhD 4 years, and the deadline is 29 July 2022. So apply as soon as possible. And the courses offered are computer science and engineering, electronics engineering, industrial engineering, material science and nano engineering, mechatronics engineering, molecular biology, genetic and bioengineering, economics, political science and international relations, psychology, visual arts and visual communication design, management BA, business analytics minor program, entrepreneurship minor program, finance minor program. And the scholarship coverage is tuition waiver full to partially on-campus accommodation, monthly stipend if fully funded, and travel allowance if fully funded scholarship. For graduate students, full tuition were 80,000 USD per year and monthly stipend is 2,500 to 3,200 Turkey lira per month. On-campus accommodation, private health insurance, a laptop, computer, to conference travel grant, scientific publication incentive, and one-time research leave for PhD only. Eligibility criteria for Sabanci University scholarship. Required language is English and the eligibility countries are all around the world. Either you are living in the 8th continent of the world, that is Zealandia, you can apply for this Sabanci University scholarship program. And the undergraduate, you can check your desired program for undergraduate and graduate. How to apply for Sabanci University scholarship? Fill the online application form and upload all your documents listed above the submit. And if you face any size problem during uploading all of your forms, please email this missing ones to us. Application process for graduate admission. Fill the online application form and upload all your documents listed below and submit it. Upload the following documents: program application form, official transcript, statement of purpose, 2 letters of recommendations, updated resume, and TOEFL result and photograph. Website to apply for this Sabanci University. So go to online application form. First of all, you have to create your account, your email address, your name, your surname, your password, your confirm password, then continue it. So in this way you can create your account. After that they will send you an email. You have to simply activate your account and then sign in. As this is an online application form, you have to put you have to first of all you have to add your passport size photo here, then your personal information which include your name, your gender, your citizenship, your date of birth, your native language and disability. So you can simply edit it and save it your information. And after that your contact information in which include your address, your phone and your social network. And after that your academic history, you can add your academic history, your degree, your university and your field of study, your registration date and your country of school and your GPA. And test score, you can add your test score here, test name, test date, and score. And after that, your employment, if you have any employment history, you can add your employment history here. After that, your documents, you have to submit your documents step by step: your CV, your English language assessment exam, English proficiency exam result, your portfolio, your statement of purpose, science test score result, your transcript, and your other documents. Your recommendations, you have to put your recommendation here. And after that, application to other university, if you have applied other university, you can simply add on this portal your awards and recognitions here. And after completing first step, if you completed your profile step 1, please complete application step 2, go to the next page. As I did not put my information, so you have to simply, friends, put your information step by step. After putting all this information, you have to simply click on step 2. So in this way, you can apply for the Sabanci University Scholarship Program for the year of 2022. So this is very prestigious scholarship. Apply as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.